happens at your bedtime? Is it because I didn't wanna stay alone in your room all the other day? You called me only for some work to do. Said it in my heart quite long since you copied this sorted paper on the shelf. Don't blame it on me if I keep it off the bed. Find you around when I barely made it to graduate. Whenever I ranted about my different exes, give me a genuine appreciation about the medicines I didn't know were them things. Yeah. I know you're pulling faces anytime I text you on my phone. Got me looking like playing you over when I'm just trying to stay alone. Told me how we look getting treated right. Didn't have a clue you were giving me clues. If it was I wished it was about you. No, it was about you. No, it was about you. No, it was about you. Right. I'm gonna tell you something. First, every time you stare at me little sideways, I know you know that I'm doing wrong for you. And when someone know that I knew was breathing the air that I breathe, you wanna start to smooth, don't you? If you could throw hands at them girls, I know you wouldn't hesitate. Yeah. The one who'll be causing the damage won't be the one who'll be for it. Once that you were drawn to town with a baby eyes, talking in whenever some cutie body comes by me. Too close, grabbing my heart more than my hand. Too close, personal space invasion. Too close, trying to steal a kiss and getting too close for you. Too close for you. Right. I want you around, less than you respect but still around. When I've been needing trust to find witnesses, when I turn my girl into a spell, yeah. Wait, girl, let's take a pic. Then I post you in my green or just to read. Whenever she be asking who that bitch is, I tell her competition where your friends at. Yeah, competition. She didn't lead though. If I drop her, I'll catch you down. I'll be texting you